Hi friends, welcome to another session of C programming. So today's topic is I want to show you a program for matrix addition and as well as multiplication. In this particular program, I want to use two functions. One is add matrix and another one is mul matrix. So add matrix is designed to add two matrices and put the result in third matrix. Similarly, mul matrix is another function where we are multiplying two matrices and put it in third matrix. So this particular program goes like this, right? See here. So any program execution starts from the main function. Okay, so in main function, what we have created here is we have declared two matrix A, matrix B. So for easy understanding, I have taken the dimension as 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so if you want, you can take different kinds of dimensions, but make sure that the columns of first matrix should equals to the rows of the second matrix, then only the matrix multiplication is possible. Okay, so that is the condition you need to check. But here for the simplicity, I have taken the size of the matrix or dimension of the matrix as 3 by 3 matrix, so there is no need to check that. Okay, so here what we are doing is we are asking to enter the matrix A elements. So for reading elements into two-dimensional array, we have to use two nested for loops. So first for loop iterates from I0 to I less than 3 I plus plus, and second for loop iterates from j equals to 0 j less than 3 j plus plus, and scanf will read all the elements into the matrix A here. Okay, you can see here. Okay, then we are asking to enter the matrix B, right? So, and again we are using two for loops, so the scanf function will read all the elements into B. Then we want to perform that addition of the matrix and as well as multiplication of the matrix. So here we are calling the add matrix function with A, B as a parameters. So that means when add matrix is called, okay, so look here on the left hand side, the arrow goes to the a function definition, that is at add matrix. So we'll all the way come to the topmost function, that is void add matrix int A int B. So the formula parameters, you can see that when you are working with two-dimensional arrays, so the first dimension is optional, but you have to specify the column value. So that's why A and B two-dimensional arrays are mentioned with the column value 3 3. So in this function we are declaring two variables I, J, and as well as the resultant matrix C, which is a size of 3 by 3. Okay, so what is the logic here? Okay, so whatever the values that you have passed from the main function, that is matrix A, matrix B, is copied into the AB. So all you have to do is write two nested for loops and a simple equation, that is C of ij is equals to A of ij plus B of ij. So when these two for loops finishes, that means how many times these two for loops iterates, since row is a size and column is row is 3 and column is 3, so 3 into 3, 9 times will get iterated. All the 9 elements of the first matrix are added to the 9 elements of second matrix and put in the result C. Okay, so this will complete the addition of the two matrix. Then what we do is, after finishing the addition, you have to check whether your resultant matrix has got the exact result or the correct results or not. So for that you need to print that matrix. So we are using two for loops and we are just printing the third matrix, that is C of ij. Okay, for printing this in a matrix form, that is 3 elements followed by row 3 elements and next row 3 elements, we are using a printf/n. Okay, so this will finish the add matrix. Okay, so when this is finished, we will come back to the main function, okay, wherein the next statement is another function call here, so which is in purple color, that is mul matrix. Again you are passing the matrix AB, so your mul matrix will take you to the function definition of mul matrix, so that is to this particular place, so to this violet color. So we'll come back to the mul matrix. Okay, so where there are two formula parameters, again A, B, and for the result we have declared C matrix, so that means two-dimensional array of C. So here the multiplication is a tricky one, so you need to remember this. So again you'll use two for loops, but you have to initialize the resultant matrix ij values to the 0 at the beginning of the second for loop. Then you can write the third for loop. Remember friends, you need to use 3 for loops here. Okay, this third for loop will actually perform the multiplication operation. So what is the formula here? You have to write it as a C of ij is equals to C of ij plus A of ik star B of kj. Okay, so this is a star actually. Okay, so look here, I have make it into a shorthand notation. Actually, it should be C of ij equals to C of ij plus A of ik star B of kj. So I have taken that plus before that equals to, that means I have designed it into a compound assignment. Okay, so C of ij plus equals to A of ik star B of kj. So this will perform that multiplication. So later you need to print your resultant. Okay, so we are printing that after multiplication of matrix C. So again 2 for loops and you are just printing the C matrix. Okay, so that's it. So this is the end of the program, my friends. Okay, so let's move on to the execution part. Okay, just look at here. So this is the program here, friends. So this is a add matrix function. Okay, same program that I have showed you in that document, Word document. Okay, so A of ij plus equals to A of ik star B of kj, right? So this is how you have to perform this. So after the multiplication, so this will be resulted. So I'm just saving my program. I'm just executing this program. Okay, so in this it's asking me for the elements of the matrix A. So I'm just entering my values. First column, second column, third column, total 9 elements. So that is a matrix A. Now it's asking for the matrix B. So again I am entering the same values for the sake of a simple calculation. So after addition, the matrix C is so 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 5 is 10, then 12, 14, 16, 18. So that is absolutely correct, my friends. Then the multiplication matrix C is you can see that 30, 36, 42, 66, 81, 96, 102, 126, 150. So this is a program for a simple matrix addition and as well as a matrix multiplication, my friends. Hope you understood the concept. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.